I think that people make controversy over completely unimportant things, and I am certain there shall be no controversy over Firak, because quite simply it states the facts, and it states them in a forthright manner. It does not point fingers, but it states the facts, and facts which are these days being backed up by the newspapers. So I don't think anybody can accuse the film of being provocative or inflammatory in any way. That is not its intention. It is trying to be as honest and truthful as possible.
Virak is an ensemble film with characters who go through many different journeys. It's set a month after the Gujarat carnage. In a span of 24 hours, what happens to these 5 set of people? How do their lives get impacted? How do they unfold? And what happens when the obvious violence is over? What is it that lingers on? Anger, prejudice, fear, hope, lack of it, all these emotions that people go through. In a way, that's what Firak explores.
फिल्म में मैं मुनीरा का किरदार निभा रही हूँ, जिसमें वो एक मेहंदी वाली है जिनका घर इन दंगों में जला दिया गया है, और किस तरह से ऐसे एक हादसे के बाद आपके दिमाग में, आपके जहन में वो किस तरह से बैठ जाता है, और आपकी शायद दोस्ती में, आपके चाल चलन में किस तरह से बदलाव आने लगते हैं. और मेरे ट्रैक में यही है कि किस तरह से दो दोस्तों के बीच में ये एक दरार बन के बैठ जाती है.
In Firak, I play a modern day Muslim character, well-educated person who doesn't wear his religion up his sleeve. He's very liberal. He's extremely, I would say, mainstream, as vulnerable as any other person walking on the road. A character who's fighting with his identity, in the sense, in such times whenever there is hostility around, people start questioning their identity and whether he doesn't feel safe. So his struggle is more internal. He's at one level trying to hide his identity, another level trying to assert who he is and what he stands for.
I think it's a lot of advantage, because she herself is such a fine actress that you get a lot of help in the small things, the minute detail of the characterization and the nuances and all that, how to go. So it's a lot of the hard work which actor is supposed to do is shared by the director.
I'm playing a character who is a musician, who has a number of students who he teaches, and those students haven't been appearing for a while. It's only the Muslim students who persistently come to him even despite the violence. So he makes a joke about it, saying that maybe the Muslims don't have that high a regard for music anymore. But the truth is something else. And there are many other truths like that which he is not willing to confront. He is not a character who is involved directly with the action. He is an observer who is affected by it but doesn't realize in how many deep ways he is affected by his living in his own self-created world of music and art and so on.
Yeah, I mean, it's in our recent past. 2002 is not that far away. And it's not only about Gujarat, it's about wherever there is violence. I mean, we've had Christian attacks recently in Karnataka and Orissa. We have had bomb blasts in Assam, we had it in Mumbai. So everywhere, I think we are concerned about violence. We can't wish it away. We can't say, "Acha, wo apne aap chala jayega." We have to engage with it. We have no option right now.
It's a very challenging role in terms, I think it's just challenging because you have to feel certain emotions that you can't imagine. I can't imagine मेरा घर जल जाए, मेरा सब कुछ तबाह हो जाए, तो मैं किस तरह से उस पर react करूँगी. तो to live those moments is tough, and to feel them is I don't know if I've really lived them or played them out the way I would if I actually was in that situation. But so a lot of instances you've played parts or you've played emotions that you're not familiar with?
When Nandita approached me for this film, I said I can understand the character very well. A similar thing I felt personally when I was in Kashmir. I used to live there, and over there I was in minority, and I was feeling this this internal desire to assert my identity. At the same time, feeling scared that if I do, what would happen.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.